Alright guys, so I have a green I just got a green screen. So I'm using it for future videos. Okay, so I'm taking it back now. Let's see. I just open my green screen. Oh, let me see if there are any directions in here. Yes, they are. Oh, never mind. It's not a direction. It's a warranty card. Alright, so we got these, like the little hangers. So when we like clip it on. And then I got another one. So I got the little cards, and I got a warranty card. So if I like lose this, I think that's a warranty, right? So if I lose this or like anything happens to this, I can always like buy another one if I like read this. Alright. And here we go. Here's my green screen. So what I'm gonna do right now is probably take it out the bag right after I'm done with this video. No, in fact, I'm gonna show y'all right now. In fact, alright, so I got my green screen and I'm gonna take it out the bag. And look, there you go. One of my new ways to get my channel being successful is right here. My green screen. So yeah. Hold on. So whenever I do a new video, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably unwrap this. In fact, hold on. This is way too big. This is way too big. Oh my god. Guys, look how big this green screen is. And I'm uploading this on all of my channels, so subscribe to my other channels. Link will be in the description below. So yeah, my green screen is right here. This is one big green screen. I wonder if all green screens are supposed to be this big. This messed up. Look, see how big this thing is? Look how big, look how massive. Just for me holding it up alone. Look how massive this green screen is. In fact, hold on. It's literally the size of my room. As a matter of fact, I might as well just wrap it back up. I'm not gonna like return it or anything, but I'm not gonna use it for now. So, I'm gonna just wrap it back up. And in case y'all didn't understand me, I said I'm not gonna return it or anything, but I'm not gonna use it for now. So for now. I am gonna use it for sure. Because this is probably one of the only things that will keep my channel being successful. And I will mostly use this on my gaming channel. So subscribe to my gaming channel. Link will be in the description. So, yeah. So, I'm going to wrap this back up. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.